How to connect your AirPods Pro to a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, place both AirPods inside the charging case and open the lid. Now, press and hold the setup button on the back of the charging case until the status light starts flashing white. This means your AirPods are now in pairing mode and ready to connect. Next, on your Windows computer, click the Start button and open Settings. From there, select Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on before moving to the next step. Now, click Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. Your PC will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. This may take a few seconds, so just wait until AirPods Pro appears in the list. Once you see AirPods Pro, click on it to start the pairing process. Keep the charging case open and close to your computer while the connection is being made. If your AirPods don't appear right away, press and hold the setup button again until the white light starts flashing. After a few moments, Windows will display a message confirming that your AirPods have been connected successfully. You can now use them to listen to music, watch videos, join online meetings, or make voice calls on your PC. And that's it. Your AirPods Pro are now connected and ready to use with your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.